This DIY turmeric scrub will brighten your skin. It will get rid of dead skin cells, make you have that smooth, beautiful, and naturally bright skin. So this turmeric scrub is easy to come up with. It's a video you want to watch to the end. Let me walk you through as I show you how I made this scrub. So you're going to get your shea butter. Okay, this is 20 grams of shea butter. You add 20 grams of turmeric oil. So you're going to be mixing this very well together. Make sure that it blends together. Make sure that the shea butter blends well, okay, with the turmeric oil. So these are hydrating ingredients that will make this scrub very hydrating. Okay, so it's a scrub you want to try out because your skin will definitely going to love it. Okay, so if you want your cream to work, of course scrub is a must use, and you shouldn't use scrub every day. You should use it at least 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so make sure that you gently incorporate the shea butter and the turmeric oil. You can also use any oil of choice. You can use jojoba oil, you can use any oil you want. Okay, so make sure that you gently combine the shea butter and the oil. You can also add mango butter, okay, to this also. Okay, but I just used shea butter and oil. So next, this is our exfoliant, of course, sugar. This is 200 grams of sugar. Add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, then you are going to add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then you're going to add about 20 grams of lemon zest. Okay, so after adding that, you're going to be adding about 30 to 35 mils of any body wash of choice. Okay, you can use any body wash of choice. So this will serve as a foam booster, okay, to the scrub, right? So after that, you're going to be mixing everything very well, okay, to incorporate the whole ingredient together. So this is an effective DIY turmeric scrub. Okay, so if you're looking for something simple, something budget friendly that will actually do the job, okay, this is a DIY body scrub you want to make for yourself at home. Of course, turmeric, okay, it's a brightener that will also help to brighten out your skin. Then we also have lemon juice, which is a natural skin brightening ingredient. We also have the lemon zest inside. So this is a very good body scrub, okay, and budget friendly at that. So if you're looking for a body scrub that will actually do the job, okay, this is what you need. And as you guys can see, it's easy to come up with. Just get your ingredients together, add them, follow the process of this video, and you have your homemade scrub that is very effective. Okay, so once that is done, you're going to get a clean sterilized container and you're going to be pouring in your body scrub. So this body scrub is meant to use 2 to 3 times a week. It helps your skincare product, that is your cream, to work very well. So this scrub helps to get rid of dead skin cells. So if you have dull skin, okay, this scrub will also come in handy. Okay, like I said, use 2 to 3 times a week, and this should be used only on the body. You don't have to use this on the face, okay, because of the abrasiveness of the sugar. So that is why it's meant for the body skin, which is more tougher. Thank you so much, and bye.